Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY Costco muffins at home. This is a super simple recipe, so if you're just starting out baking, this is a great one to make, and let's get on with the video. So first, you're just going to put 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl, and then take a whisk and whisk them up. To this, you're going to add half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of whole milk, a quarter cup of water, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and mix that up. Now the secret ingredient to these muffins is sour cream. That might sound weird, but it's actually in a lot of cake recipes. It just makes the muffins really moist. Then you're going to whisk the sour cream in. To this, you're going to add a box of chocolate pudding mix, 1 box of chocolate cake mix, and then stir that together until everything's combined. And don't worry about these muffins tasting like cake mix. Since we're adding so many other ingredients, you're not even going to be able to tell it's from a box. So once all of those ingredients are stirred in, you're going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Then taking a rubber spatula, fold those in. You're going to line a muffin pan with some paper liners, and I'm making jumbo muffins. So I'm going to get about 12 muffins out of this batch, but if you want to do regular, you can get about 24. Then I'm taking an ice cream scoop and scooping the batter into the cups. And since these are jumbo muffins, I'm doing 2 scoops. If you're making regular muffins, then just do 1 scoop. So using an ice cream scoop ensures that the muffins will be even and will bake at the same time. So you're going to pop those into a 375 degree oven for about 20 to 22 minutes, and they'll come out looking like this. I really hope you guys like this video, and I hope you try this recipe for yourself. It's super easy and the muffins are so delicious. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you want to see me make next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!